Welcome to Famigo Dashcam, where the calm streets turn wild in a heartbeat. Subscribe, stay safe, and let's hit the road together.
When you rush through traffic, you're not saving time. You're trading peace for problems. That move was straight out of a Fast and Furious audition, except real life doesn't have stunt doubles. When you push too hard from behind, you're not just chasing time, you're testing luck. Take it easy. Patience always gets you there safer. That flip looked like something straight out of a Hollywood stunt reel, minus the safety crew. Dashcam, car crashes like this one prove that red lights aren't just suggestions. A red light lasts seconds, but the damage from ignoring it can last much longer. Even the straightest roads demand focus. One blink can change everything. Speed loses all meaning when control is gone. The road only respects those who respect it. Don't go anywhere. Hit subscribe to see more moments worth thinking about. When space disappears, so does safety. Every inch matters. Last-second moves usually come with first-class regrets. That moment felt just like a dance where both missed the step.
It takes even more effort to get back.
The car turned in front of him? Yeah, I need to go though.
The feeling of safety fades faster than we think. All it takes is a moment of carelessness. Balance isn't just in the steering wheel, it's in the driver's state of mind. Every turn demands patience, especially when what you're carrying isn't just your own weight. Control isn't about power, it's about balance between speed and sense.
Oh my God!
A race without a finish line never leads to victory. It only reminds us how easily control can be lost. When visibility fades, awareness becomes your only defense. Keeping distance isn't just safe, it's what keeps one mistake from becoming many. Every exit loses its meaning if it costs your calm. Patience will always be cheaper than the consequences. One wrong turn can teach more than 100 peaceful rides. What do you think is the most valuable lesson after moments of losing control? Share your thoughts below. Real safety doesn't start with the steering wheel. It starts with the calm mindset of the person behind it. The thrill of driving can sometimes make us forget our own limits. At that intersection, everything played out like a duet no one rehearsed. Courtesy on the road costs nothing, but skipping it can cost a lot. That moment felt like rush hour bumper cars, except nobody's laughing. Big vehicles demand bigger awareness. Size doesn't excuse carelessness. Even on the clearest road, someone else's rush can still test your calm. Staying alert and respectful on the road is the true strength that keeps every trip safe. A smooth merge starts with patience, not panic.
I'm going 40. You want 1,000?
So far, that has
Every
failed
turn
to
deserves a
significantly
signal. Silence on the road often speaks the
account
loudest.
For about 40%.
At night, reactions matter more than speed. One wrong move can rewrite everything. It looked like a traffic dance that lost its rhythm halfway through. No shortcut is ever worth taking if it leads to losing safety. Moments like this remind us that control can vanish faster than we think.
Famigo Dashcam wraps up here, but your safe driving journey keeps going. Hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and tell us what you learned today in the comments.